What's up, guys? And today, I'm not going to see you guys. I'll see you guys until the end of June or my birthday. But I changed my mind. I'm going to make one video today, and that's how to make very greasy Play-Doh. Now, this is not the Play-Doh you'll find at the store. It's very greasy. And even though if you put it in a closed container, it will still dry. But that means you can just use a tiny bit of oil and just mix it around, and then it'll get back to its normal shape. So, let's get into this. So, these are weird things to use. So, what you need is some Bingo Dabber ink. Now, any kind of Bingo Dabber ink. Now, you can technically use any kind of ink that you want or you have, but I've only been using Bingo Dabber ink. So, yeah. So, you're probably wondering, how do I get the ink out of here? Do I saw it in half or something? No. Well, after your Bingo Dabber ink, first, before I tell you that, you need some cornstarch. You need some white or clear glue. Then you'll need a lot of popsicle sticks, and then you'll need a container. Then you'll need something like this. Okay? So, I'm going to put this up a little bit. There. How's that? Okay. So, let's get this thing open. Now, I'm not squeezing it out or anything like that. No. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this to go on the top. First, I'm going to put a YouTube video on. Okay, so while it's loading, let's get this top off. So there's a top on it that can be taken off to get refilled or something like that. Now, I'm going to turn this down because that was going to be loud. Okay. Did it. Okay, so it'd be easier to use a smaller one, especially with my small hands. And your mom or someone probably has Bingo Dabbers laying around. Make sure it's the ones that they don't use, and make sure you have permission, because let me tell you, they will get mad. Believe me, Bingo Dabbers are not cheap, okay? Some of them are, but those ones are the crappier ones. Probably think so. So, the thing right here, I'm just going to put it right there, and this is staying. This will stain, so make sure, well, you roll up your sleeves, or you can wear gloves too. I have gloves, but I'm just going to. So, this is ink pouring out. It gets about that much ink. Okay? Good amount of ink. This last time I used it, very small amount of ink. But now, it's very easy to place it back. You just gotta do that. It'll work still. Believe me, it will. Let's get those out of the way. Now, let's start on putting in the cornstarch. Now, I should grab a spoon. Don't I have anything for a spoon? I'm going to grab a spoon right back, guys. Right back. Get a spoon. Should have got a spoon. Hello guys, I'm back. Oh God. Okay. Don't worry. Oh God. Okay. Back with a spoon, you can eat plastic or no. Sorry, no, I should wait. Now I'm gonna grab a garbage bin. Put this over because this will get all over the place. Now, on the bottom here is carpet. Well, not carpet, but it is blanket. So if you think about water and cornstarch, it makes like a goop. You know? It makes like a solid and liquid goop. Like oobleck. There you go, that's the name. I think that should be enough for now. Now when you're done for that, tap it a little bit. And then put somewhere where it's not going to spill too much and it's not going to be a huge mess. That's when your popsicle sticks will come in. And you can just slightly mix it. Now you want to mix it now because the ink is very inky. That's an ink oobleck. Instead of using water. So made that type. Now this is when glue comes in. Now you will be needing salt. Be aware. This is a very small container. You can find like special type. Oh god. Okay. This is a very weird type of glue. Let me tell you that for sure. It's not like the normalest glue. It's very weird. Now, the reason why you need glue is because, well, first of all, liquid and cornstarch, it mixes weird. And the glue will destroy it. Make it weird and make it like a slime almost. So, that's what should happen. And that should become like a Play-Doh afterwards. See? Now it's becoming like a weird goop. Like immediately starts to be weird. The glue will react very, very, very well actually. Like it'll turn it to some liquid. Now I made red actually. I can show you like a little demonstration. Now this one I just made last night. I tested and I made a perfect green. Now it is a greasy green. But it's still a green. So now this goop is not Play-Doh. It's not Play-Doh, you know? Now this is a goop, okay? It needs to be a Play-Doh. So this is when salt could come in big handy. So I'm not going to finish making it. I'm going to just tell you what you need. So you need cornstarch, glue, Bingo Diver ink, salt, and then that's it. Literally impossible stick and a container that you're never going to use again. And oil. You need oil, okay? And then you need oil. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Peace.